YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another one. Today we're going to talk about some Pepe coin. I know you guys like Pepe coin, so we got to dive into it. Before we do that, I got to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie, Crypto J. So don't buy anything you see in this video. Don't make no financial decisions, okay? As you guys could see, the market is starting to heat up on a Saturday, which is interesting, weird, making me feel like I don't know what the heck is going on, right? So you guys could see market cap coming in at 3.3 trillion and the fear greed index coming in at a 49. Just pretty much smack dab in the middle. Again, people don't know what the heck to think. Let's talk about some Bitcoin, and then again, we're going to dive into the Pepe. So you guys could see Bitcoin looking ever so volatile, right? We thought we were creating some kind of a rising wedge here on the day. We had this rejection here. Then we drop down. And again, of course, Bitcoin is going to just be so erratic, right? And so it decides that, maybe it wants to have a retest of this range. Possibly now some kind of cup and handle pattern starting to form over here. We'll see if Bitcoin again can create some kind of a pump off of this. Maybe we have some kind of a wedge forming, right? Somebody had mentioned the possibility of a wedge a few hours ago over here on the side. And maybe they were right. Maybe Bitcoin is starting to create some kind of a wedge. A lot of big content creators even talking and speculating. You guys could see Lark Davis over here, 46K. And also Lark is huge on YouTube as well. He's getting pretty close, I think, to like 1 million subscribers. So shout out to Lark Davis. But yeah, as you guys can see, Bitcoin possibly starting to make some kind of a recovery on the 7 day, but still the sideways price action, it's very uncertain, right? The 1 month looking pretty kind of decent, I guess. I mean, it's either way, right? Because we could have a rising wedge here, and this again could be us not breaking above it and starting to break down, or we can have a bull flag forming here as well on the 1 month. So Bitcoin really in a decision mode. Either we're going to break down this weekend or we're going to break up. You guys could see that bull flag really forming here on the logarithmic chart, making me feel good about the market, as well as this all-time logarithmic just looking pretty sweet. Again, we haven't had a blow off top yet, so Bitcoin's going to be volatile. Yeah, it's going to go up and down, but ultimately, I don't think that this is the top of our cycle. Some people think that we need to see a retest of as low as 78. I don't know that that's necessary. Again, I don't know what the heck is going on. I don't have a crystal ball, bro. But let's see. Let's see kind of how the rest of the market's taking it. As you guys can see, kind of looking like a stalemate right now in the past 24 hours. Some of these coins seeing a little bit of gains, but the majority of them not moving very much. And we didn't have to move very much down the page to find our good buddy Pepe coming in at number 29. Let's check it out. As you guys can see, Pepe coming in at 3.96 billion market cap. If you guys like Pepe, again, hit the like button and drop a comment. Put Pepe so I know that you got this far in the video. As you guys can see, 87% of people bullish on Pepe, 13% of people bearish, and plenty of people speculating all the time. Again, this coin has 1 million followers over here on CoinMarketCap, just getting bigger and bigger, still under 500,000 holders. But the lore is right there, guys. I feel like Pepe has so much lore that, this thing could really move. I mean, Pepe has millions of views on the internet, like millions, like probably like hundreds of millions, to be honest with you. There's so much hype behind Pepe. So again, if some of that can trickle back into cryptocurrency, back into Pepe coin, then maybe we could see Pepe again rise to new higher heights. We were watching some good price action happen earlier this year, but now it seems like, again, with the Bitcoin market looking the way that it does, Pepe coin coming in on some key levels of support. Can Pepe coin again rally back? We're down like 23% on the year, but again, Pepe coin can still make a comeback, hopefully, if we do not break down. A couple things that I would want to pay attention to on this chart would be the rising wedge forming on the 7 day, right? We don't want to see a breakdown happen on Pepe. As you guys could see, past 7 days we're down about 3%, but just need to see some of that volume. We really got to see a big green candle print on Pepe pretty soon. hopefully. Otherwise, we could be in some trouble. As you guys could see on some of these more macro indicators, we do have a shoulder, head, shoulder playing out. That's what we've kind of been watching, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder, possibly. Don't want to break that neckline. Otherwise, again, Pepe coin could see a big sell off. I do think that that might happen if the market does really decide it wants to tank. But there's also a possibility that, again, maybe Pepe coin is nearing the bottom. I'm thinking, at least I'm hoping. Again, it's not financial advice. I'm not telling you for sure it's going to go up. I'm telling you, I don't know what the heck is going to happen. What do you guys think, though? Are you guys bullish on Pepe? Are you bearish on Pepe? What are your price predictions on this bad boy? Some people saying this can go higher than 40 million, right? Again, we've seen that happen with things like SHIB, right? Things like Doge hitting like 80 million market cap. Can Pepe coin be that next coin? Again, this coin really can draw a lot of attention, right? It's on already a lot of big exchanges. Um, and yeah, I love Pepe. So we've been talking about this coin since like 2023. Um, and we're going to continue talking about it. Just like I told you back then, we're going to continue talking about Pepe because Pepe has a huge base. They're on big exchanges. And I just like the community. So what do you guys think, though? Are you bullish on this community? Is this a project that you are holding? If so, let me know how much Pepe coin you guys are holding. All the engagement counts, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.